This video is about area of concentration in chemistry that will help you not to waste your time and reading things that will or may not come in your exams. Although your examiner may say anything, any school of nursing, they have the right to say anything they want to say, okay? To read on this area and maybe have a general knowledge about it, it will help you make a quick decision while you are taking your CBT test. For most of you, if it is CBT, even if it is pen on paper, you still see OBJ, and this will really help you. We have the separation techniques. This is the first topic. Also have atomic structure and bonding, that is the covalent bond and electrovalent bond. You have to understand how to calculate the mass number, okay, and the electron number. So moving from that is the periodic table. You need to understand how elements are arranged in the periodic table in group 1, group 2, how they are called, alkaline earth metals for group 2, alkali metal for group 1, halogen and all of that. You need to understand how each of them are called. You need to also understand the ionization energy, electron affinity, atomic radius, ionic radius. You have to know the difference, and if they either increases down the group or from left to right the periodic table, and so that whenever you see something that like that, you'll be able to answer. Then another one is the kinetic theory of matter and Carr's laws. That is the boiling point, the melting point of so many liquids, so many things like ethanol, boiling point of water, boiling point of so many things. You have to understand how liquid is being transformed to gas, how gas is being transformed back to liquid, that process. Then need to know the Boyle's law, Charles law, and other Carr's laws. Know their formula, because you may be asked to find the volume or the pressure of a certain number, in a question. So when you know the formula, you just plug in. You will plug in without any hesitation, and you will see the answer immediately, because there will be no time to waste. Okay, so if you know the formula, it will be very much easier for you. So another area I want you guys to focus on is A. Okay, you need to know A is like a topic on its own. You need to understand the percentage of gas, like oxygen in the air, percentage of nitrogen in the air, percentage of carbon dioxide in the air. Okay, so you need to understand some gases, metals and non-metals. You need to understand atropes like granite, diamond. Then another one is organic chemistry, the algains, and all of that. So you need to understand what is esterification. Okay, so most of those things that you were taught in your secondary school is what you will see. So you're not going to see something that you were not taught in secondary school. Okay, so you need to understand polysaccharide, monosaccharide, and disaccharide. You need to know the examples of each of them. And another area is environmental pollution. Okay, read on environmental pollution, read on water, read on water. We have soft water and hard water. So what makes water hard? What makes water soft? Yes, acid, base, and salt. This is very important. You need to know different types of salt. We have acidic salts. Okay, so you have to know the example of types of salt. We could know which ones are the strong acid and the weak acid, the difference between the strong acid and the weak acid. Know their examples.